Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do gel nail polish. This is the brand that I'm going to try out today. I've never used this brand before, but I got this on Amazon. And it came with these are all glittery gel nail polishes. It came with a bluish purple, kind of a maroon, green, looks like red, orangey red, and maybe a pink. On the top, it has a little sticker showing the color, so I'll pick what color I want. Oh, okay, this one's blue. Okay. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with I think I'm actually gonna go with the green, just because that's not something I would normally choose, but I'm gonna try it out today. So the first thing I need is my base coat. So I've got a base coat, top coat here. Oop. Oh, make sure you have a UV lamp like this one. This is Model 1's brand. I'll link all this stuff below. So I've got my base coat. I've got my nails that I have already roughed up with a file and just kind of scratch them up a little bit. So I'm just going to start with a thin layer of my base coat. And I'm going to put my fingernails underneath the UV lamp, and I think it goes for like 30 seconds each time you press the button, and it'll automatically turn off. Okay, so now that's cured, and I'm going to be placing on my colored nail polish now. Glitter polish is a little bit thick and it's a little bit harder to move around on your nail. For this one, I'm probably going to need to do 2 layers. Okay, so I've got one thin layer. This looks like glow in the dark underneath the lamp right now. Okay, now I'm just gonna keep doing layers until I have the right look that I'm going for. That's what it looks like now. Let's see if I want to do one more layer or not. Maybe just on this pointer finger. It's a little bit too see-through. And the thumb. I think those are the only ones that need a little bit extra. So the next step is going to be adding your top coat. So I'm going to do that, and then I usually do 2 rounds of the UV lamp at the very end, just to make sure that there's no stickiness because you really want it to be hard and not feel like if you like tap on it with your fingernail that it's gonna make an indentation. It should feel hard and solid and like you're not gonna mess it up. So I like to just make sure by doing the UV lamp twice. All right, so now I'm just gonna do this twice. So a minute total. All right, and there you have it. My nails are done. Now, they're not as pretty as if I were to have gone and gotten a professional manicure, but it is a lot less expensive and they look good enough for me and I'm happy with them. So you can do this at home if you would like to just get the UV lamp and get some base coat, top coat, and some gel nail polish. You can do this yourself. Thanks for watching.